Hey guys, it's Rob with Sage Hawk Homebuyers. I wanted to touch base with you this week about the Indianapolis Tax Sale that occurred recently. I got a lot of questions about how it operates and what it looks like to go in there, and honestly, it's a pretty incredible experience. I watched a lot of HGTV shows before getting into real estate, and I thought it was really interesting to be a part of a tax sale. And I've been going to them for a couple of years now, and I just got to say, you have to experience it yourself. There's a lot of high dollar investors that come into the room. People have checked out the properties, and a lot of times there are newbie investors that don't know what they're getting themselves into. And you could always watch to see which properties are going to be the ones worth picking up based on which investors are bidding. And also, it's kind of a great way to get an idea of where the money might be moving forward. So what I mean by that is, if a particular neighborhood has a lot of investors, bidding in it right now, then you know that moving forward, there's a good chance that there's going to be a lot of flip properties. There's going to be a lot of investment in that pocket. So it's a good idea to start targeting that with your direct mail campaigns. The tax sale that took place last week is pretty interesting, just because it's one of the larger ones that takes place each year. These are it's a list of properties that is published by the county, and it involves people that haven't paid their property taxes for the past year or two. And people get behind on their payment, and for whatever reason it just falls on this list. The county will go ahead and auction this off. An investor will basically buy a note on the property, and they have 1 year till they fully own the house, and that basically gives the homeowner 1 year to pay back the taxes and actually reclaim ownership of that house. So it goes in. There's a lot more nuances into what happens at the Indianapolis tax sale each year. However, this kind of gives you an idea of what to expect and why these properties end up on the list.